What's up, happy people? I'm Eric Lee, and you're watching 31 and Counting. And today, well, like last week, I've taken a little bit of time off, not by choice. Truthfully, I ordered a lot of packages, but since the current situation we're all going through in the world, shipping has really slowed down, and I got some packages, but nothing I want to review on this channel. I got like tables and stuff. You guys don't want to see tables. You want to see cool, different products being unboxed. And unboxing a table is, that's going to be hard. But I'm going to show you guys around and show you some of the things that I'm doing right now to keep my sanity in these trying times. I have a garden. Yes, if you guys are OG 31 and Counting fans or people who've been watching for a while, you know I garden. I get the little green thumb going from time to time, and I put some stuff in the garden. Let me show you. So we're outside and it is windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I got the mic hooked up. You've seen the video, and I haven't been in the garden, or I haven't even shot vlog style in a while. If you guys miss it, let me know. I'll do more of them. But my garden is pretty simple and it's kind of a mess. I wasn't sure I was going to record it today, but I'll show you a few things in here. All this is all those strawberries. Had a problem finding straw, but I'll get that down there later on. The plants on the outside that are not in cages, those are all jalapenos, and I think this one is a banana pepper. They always do good in our soil. These three, though, are going to be tomato plants. I like tomatoes. I don't know if you guys do, but if you do, then you can rock with it. Wow, that sounds harsh. Another thing I really want to do is I want to get back into doing some archery and this little spare time. Get me out here, get them shoulder workouts going on. Anybody who's shot bow knows it's a lot of strain on the shoulders, so you got to work those muscles and really build them up for that. And I figure now's the time to practice with my little free time. I have a target here, but I pretty much tore that target up pretty good. So I have another one that's in my garage right now. I'm probably gonna pull that out and put it out here, and then I'll see if you guys want to see me do a husband versus wife. I love doing those things. They're pretty much some of my favorite. I lose a lot, but I think that she just beats me on technicalities. Like the pumpkin one, she beat me barely because she didn't use, she freehanded, and I used, you know, a little design that came in a book. But I think mine looked better, so you guys let her win. My hair is just, I'm gonna go inside, guys. I'll see you back inside. All right, guys, I'm back inside. It was hot out there, starting to sweat. Somehow my hair magically got put in a bun, mostly because y'all see me out there. My hair was like, ugh, and all over the place, looking like alfalfa from the side. And I didn't want to bother you guys with that. But I do want to answer a few questions that I posted and Ask Me Anything on Instagram. And one of the people asked me about these pictures. Yes, that's a picture of me with no beard, and yeah, I'll just show you guys. That's a picture of me without a beard, and that picture up here is a picture of the wifey and her wedding dress. Yeah, for some reason people ask me all the time, I was like, man, what do you look like without a beard? And I've had a beard this whole time I've had a channel. You guys cannot see me. Focus, there you go. That's also another picture of both of us. And you've probably seen this before. If you're, you know, like I said, OG 31 and Counting people, y'all already seen these pictures, and those are some of the people that asked me the question. So what is my channel going to be looking like right now while we're going through this like pandemic thing? And I'm going to tell you, it's going to probably be a lot of more vlog style. I want to do more husband versus wife, but right now we're so busy with schoolwork that's just something that's is distant. But I do want to continue to put out content. I'm doing my best to keep you guys entertained in this time where no one can even touch each other. You know, that 6 foot rule, y'all practicing social distancing. But I hope everybody's doing well. I know I'm doing okay. The whole family's doing good. School's a little harder. You guys who have kids, y'all can really relate to that. Having to do homeschooling, it has a little, you know, little curve, a few challenges, but my daughter sleeps in and she's loving it. She's taking full advantage of this. She's sleeping in 4 extra hours. She doesn't ride the bus, none of that stuff. And I don't have to go take her anywhere. And gas is cheap. This would be the best time to be driving around cruising if I had somewhere to go, but no one can go anywhere right now. And I know some of you guys' states are gonna be open up pretty soon. Texas, they're open up, I don't know, like next month or something. And I'm gonna stay at the house. I don't wanna get sick. I don't wanna put that on my family. I don't really know what's going on, but you know, I don't wanna risk it. And you know, I don't have any real reason to go out partying or anything like that. That's not my lifestyle anyway. But I hope my packages come quicker and things like that start speeding up. But guys, you're watching 31 and Counting. I hope you're having a great day. I hope I brought a little bit more entertainment to it or something. But you know, let me know down in the comments below what you want to see. If you want to see more husband versus wife, put something down there like a challenge for us to go against each other, and we'll see what we can do. You're watching 31 and Counting. I'm Eric Lee. We out.